Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Today's video, I am going to make chicken arrozcaldo. First thing, wash the breast chicken. Put enough water to cover the chicken, then let it boil. Put as well the ginger. Turn the hob on. Let it boil. Meanwhile, take 1 cup of glutinous rice. Wash it and set aside. All right, let me prepare the spices. I will do the ginger first. Followed by the onions. Then garlic. Last but not the least, spring onions. Now let's check the chicken. Let it cool down. Then when cool enough to handle, tear it into pieces. Now let me show you my ingredients. Chicken breast, glutinous rice, saffron, spring onions, fish sauce, ground black pepper, ginger, garlic and onions. Now let's get started. When cooking pot is warm enough, put a small amount of cooking oil. Then saute ginger. Next is the onions. When translucent, put the garlic. Put as well then the ground black pepper. Mix well. Put the white part of spring onions. Then the chicken breast. Mix well. Then put the fish sauce. Put the lid on and let boil a couple of minutes. Then put the previously soaked Glutinous rice. Put water. It depends on you. How watery you prefer. Your chicken arrozcaldo. By the way, I am using here a boiling water. Now let it boil and keep stirring. It is nearly done. Look at that. Just the right consistency that I wanted. Now let's add the saffron. Looking yummy already. Now let's garnish with spring onions. Here we go, guys. All done. I put a toppings of hard-boiled egg, ground pork, crackling spring onions, and squeeze a bit of lemon. So yummy.
Timpla tayo ng iced tea. Nestea. Yan. From Philippines pa yan. Thank you sa sponsor. Okay. Oh, ang kanyang flavor ay honey blend with black tea. So, we do 1 liter of water. Ilagay natin. Ayan. At atin nang kakanawin. Yan. Keep stirring. Stir hanggang matunaw yung ating iced tea granules. Ayan. At lagyan natin ng yellow. I don't know why we call it yellow when it's clearly white. Ayan. Pero, ganun talaga. Pinoy talaga, di ba? Ayan. Pinoy na Pinoy ang aking iced tea. Okay. Ang aking nalagyan kasi yan. Then transfer natin ang ating iced tea. Ayan. Lagyan natin. Ayan. At refreshing. Okay, so ito yun na. Magmerienda na tayo, guys. Merienda na. Okay. Thank you for watching and keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye.